In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your splash shield on your Chevy Cruze. This one is located on the passenger side underneath. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to remove this bolt. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to continue our way around the splash shield. And then go to this one. This is broken on ours, but you should remove this bolt. And then your next one's over here. And you're going to continue your way down to this one. There should be one here. Ours is already broken off. And your last one is here. Now that you remove your last bolt, you're going to remove your splash shield. Let's put our splash shield up. It goes above the other splash shield in the front, and you're going to line it up to the edge of the car. Once you're lined up, you're going to start your bolts. There's one back here, and that'll help hold it up. And we're going to start one on the side here. Put your bolt that's next to it in. Put one here. Tighten it down. We're going to put this one in. Tighten that one down. Put one here. Ours is broken once again, but you should be able to put a screw in there, and that'll do it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.